Understanding Property Management, a comprehensive guide. Property management is a vital aspect of real estate ownership, providing essential services for residential, commercial, industrial, and special-purpose properties. This article delves into the intricacies of property management, the roles of property managers, the types of properties they oversee, and the reasons property owners might seek their assistance. What is property management? Property management refers to the daily oversight of real estate by a third-party contractor, usually a professional property manager or management company. They are responsible for ensuring the regular upkeep, security, and ongoing maintenance of properties, which could range from apartment complexes to shopping centers. The primary objective of property management is twofold: to preserve the property's value while generating income for the owners. Key takeaways. Property management encompasses the supervision of various types of real estate. Property managers are responsible for a wide range of tasks including tenant screening, lease agreements, rent collection, and property maintenance. Property managers are typically compensated through a fee structure or a percentage of the rental income generated by the property. Each state has distinct regulations governing property management activities, ensuring adherence to landlord-tenant laws. Becoming a property manager, responsibilities and skills. While an extensive range of tasks is encompassed within property management, the specific responsibilities typically include: 1. Tenant screening, selecting quality tenants to minimize turnover rates and ensure timely rental payments. 2. Lease management, drafting, signing, and renewing leases on behalf of the property owners. 3. Rent collection, ensuring rent is collected on time and addressing any payment issues that may arise. 4. Property maintenance, routine maintenance tasks such as landscaping, trash removal, and snow clearing, as well as coordinating repair work when necessary. 5. Budgeting, establishing and managing budgets for maintenance and operational expenses. 6. Legal compliance, understanding and operating within state and national landlord-tenant laws. 7. Marketing and advertising, promoting available rental properties to attract potential tenants. 8. Supervision of staff, overseeing janitorial or maintenance staff and ensuring service delivery standards are met. 9. Tax management, handling relevant taxation issues concerning the property. Types of property management. Property managers cater to various property types, which can broadly be categorized into 4 main types. 1. Residential property management. Residential property managers specialize in overseeing rental properties. They offer services for single-family homes, vacation rentals, multifamily units, duplexes, triplexes, etc., townhouses, condominiums, apartments. 2. Commercial property management. This aspect focuses on commercial real estate, which includes retail spaces, such as shopping malls and restaurants, office buildings and business spaces, public accommodations like hotels, co-working spaces that offer flexible work environments. 3. Industrial property management. Industrial property managers deal with properties such as manufacturing facilities, heavy and light, warehouses, distribution centers. 4. Special-purpose property management. Some properties do not fit into the traditional categories but require specific management strategies, such as theaters, sports arenas, resorts and hotels, care facilities for seniors, educational institutions, places of worship. Who needs a property manager? Property owners across various sectors may seek the services of property managers, including landlords with multiple properties. Those owning several rental properties may prioritize profit generation over day-to-day management. Absentee landlords, individuals who own properties but reside in different locations, benefit from property management to ensure quality oversight. Real estate investors, investors who prefer a hands-off approach can turn to property management firms to handle the intricacies of tenant relations and regulatory compliance. Affordable housing providers. Landlords participating in complex affordable housing programs often require specialized expertise, making property managers essential. Legal considerations in property management. Property management licensing requirements vary significantly across different states. Generally, most states necessitate property management companies to be licensed by local real estate boards. For example, in Florida, property managers must possess a real estate broker's license to perform certain management duties. Conversely, Massachusetts does not have a licensing requirement since property management responsibilities can consist of activities not regarded as intense real estate tasks. Important points regarding licensing. Ensure that the property management firm is properly licensed in the state of operation. Familiarize oneself with specific regulations that pertain to managing different property types within each state. Conclusion. Property management serves as a synergistic bridge connecting property owners and their investments. The benefits include operational efficiency, legal compliance, and effective tenant relations, ultimately contributing to property value preservation and income generation. Property owners must assess their individual needs when determining whether to hire a property manager or to manage the property independently. Understanding the scope of property management services can greatly assist owners in making informed decisions, one that balances their time, expertise, and financial goals.